Nevertheless, let us all be reminded that what is mandated to be forthwith is not only the convening, it is the trial that is mandated to be forthwith. We therefore look forward that after the pre-trial, we will immediately proceed to the presentation of witnesses, presentation of evidence, and consequently to the judgment. By judgment, it's only either acquittal or conviction. We are currently preparing already for the forthcoming pre-trial and trial of these articles of impeachment. And I wish to share with you the themes that we have created. You will remember that the articles are summarized into 4. Article 1 pertains to threats and destabilization. No. This is actually just a list of the assignment per article that was given to the 11 prosecutors. But this does not necessarily follow the way it was presented in the articles of impeachment. And this does not follow as well the sequence by which the same will be presented. This is a matter which is still being discussed. But nevertheless, we wish to share with you that for threats and destabilization, this is led by our colleague, our STML, Kong Lawrence Defensor. And with Kong Lawrence Defensor as members of this article or team, we have Kong Laila de Lima, Kong Bel Zamora, and this representation. Another article is bribery. And this article is being led by Congressman Joel Chua. Joining him in the article of bribery are Congressman Rog Gutierrez, Congresswoman Kakabag-Aw, and Congresswoman Bel Zamora. Another article is unexplained wealth. This article is being led by Congressman Terry Ridon. And with him are the following: Congressman Chel Jokno, Congressman Kakabag-Aw, Congressman Rog Gutierrez. This representation, Congressman Joel Chua, Congresswoman Laila de Lima, Congressman Lorden Suwan, and finally, Congressman Jonathan Keith Flores. The fourth article is confidential fund. This is to be led by this representation. And with me in this team are the following: Congressman Joel Chua, Congressman Lawrence Defensor, Congressman Rog Gutierrez, Congressman Lorden Suwan, Congressman Jonathan Keith Flores, Congressman Chel Jokno, and Congressman Terry Ridon. Like what I have said, this is the assignment so far with respect to the 4 articles of impeachment as to the participation which the 11 prosecutors will be handling. Nevertheless, as we continue to prepare, there can be some adjustments, but rest assured that the 11 prosecutors are already on its full swing of preparation. So come the pre-trial and the trial, you will expect that the 11 prosecutors will be there to appear before the impeachment court.